Aqueous calcium chloride and aqueous sodium phosphate react to form two products, one of which is a solid in this precipitation reaction. So first let's predict the products. Remember that precipitation reactions are double displacement, which means that the cation from one compound will hook up with the anion from the other. We will produce sodium chloride, which has the formula NaCl. And we know that salt is soluble in water, so that is our aqueous product. We'll produce calcium phosphate, which has the formula Ca3PO4 and that is our solid product. Now we have to balance our chemical equation, so let's start with the calcium. We have 1 on the left side and 3 on the right. So I'm going to put a 3 in front of the calcium chloride. That gives us 6 chlorine. And so I'm going to put a 6 on the right side in front of the NaCl. We will then need a 2 in front of the sodium phosphate to balance out that sodium. And that balances our phosphate because we have 2 now on the left and we have 2 on the right. To write our ionic equation, we will break apart our aqueous compounds into their ions because ionic compounds in aqueous solution dissociate 100%. And so we end up with 3 calcium, 2 plus ions, and 6 chloride ions, 6 sodium ions, and 2 phosphate ions on the left side. Now on the right side, we have 6 sodium ions, 6 chloride ions, and because our solid product is insoluble, we leave that one as it is. To get our net ionic equation, we'll cancel out the spectator ions, or those ions that are the same on both sides. So we have 6 chloride, and we have 6 sodium. And I'll rewrite our net ionic equation. 3 calcium ions plus 2 phosphate ions produce calcium phosphate solid. Remember that our net ionic equation should be the formation of the solid since this is a precipitation reaction.